Imagine this. You're lying awake at 3 a.m., heart shattered into a million pieces, replaying every moment, every word, wondering if she ever feel the weight of what she threw away. That emptiness in your chest? It's not weakness, it's the spark of your rebirth. Gentlemen, brothers in arms against the storm of heartbreak, welcome to the path of redemption. This isn't just advice. It's a narration of your epic comeback, the kind that gives you goosebumps as you watch her life transform. Picture yourself not as the broken man she left behind, but as the legend rising from the ruins. We'll walk this journey together, step by emotional step, building from the raw pain of loss to the triumphant roar of self-mastery. Each point isn't a mere tip, it's a chapter in your story, laced with hooks to pull you deeper, emotional swells to fuel your fire, and motivational truths to ignite your soul. By the end, you'll feel it, that unbreakable power surging through your veins. 1. The silent storm. Embrace no contact and let the void speak. Imagine the moment she walked away, the door slamming shut, echoing in your empty soul. Your first instinct? Reach out, plead, explain. But stop. Right there, in that gut-wrenching silence, lies your power. What if I hooked you with this? The greatest revenge isn't anger. It's absence. The void you create becomes her mirror, reflecting every flaw she ignored in you. Feel the emotion swell. You've poured your heart out, only to be met with indifference. It's like standing in a rainstorm, soaked to the bone, while she hides under an umbrella you built for her. But now, you step inside, dry off, and let the storm rage on without you. This is where the journey begins, not with words, but with the deafening quiet of no contact. No contact isn't punishment. It's protection. It's you saying, I am worthy of more. Studies and stories from countless men show that when you vanish, her mind races. She wonders, where did he go? Why isn't he fighting? That curiosity turns to doubt, doubt to regret. Picture her scrolling through old photos, heart aching, realizing the man who once chased her is now chasing greatness. Goosebumps yet? This is your first victory, the moment she feels the chill of your absence. Rise, warrior. The silence is your sword. 2. Forge the iron will. Hit the gym and sculpt your body and mind. Ever felt like your body was a battlefield, scarred by her words? You're not enough, they echo. But what if transforming that pain into power was the key to making her? Heart skip a beat in regret? Build the emotion. Remember the nights you stared in the mirror, doubting your worth? She saw your vulnerabilities and chose to leave. It hurts, like a dagger twisting slow. But from that wound comes fire. You grab the weights, feel the burn in your muscles, matching the burn in your chest. Each rep is a release sweat dripping like tears you won't shed anymore. This isn't vanity. It's vengeance through virtue. Hit the gym, eat clean, build that physique. Science backs it. Physical transformation boosts confidence, rewires your brain for success. She'll see your posts, that chiseled jaw, those broad shoulders, and think, that's the man I let go? Feel the goosebumps as you imagine her scrolling late at night, comparing every guy to the beast you've become. Your body isn't just changing, it's a billboard screaming, you lost a king. Step into the arena. Your transformation is her wake-up call. 3. Reclaim your kingdom. Dive into career and passions with unstoppable drive. What if the dream she dismissed were the very flames that would light her path to regret? You've sidelined your goals for her now. Reclaim them and watch her world dim. Think back to the compromises, the late nights working while she complained, the passions you shelved to make her happy. It stings like salt in an open wound. You gave your all, yet it wasn't enough. But now, in this chapter of rebirth, You channel that pain into purpose. Pour into your career, chase that promotion, launch that side hustle. Rediscover hobbies that light your soul: painting, music, adventure. Success isn't optional. It's your secret weapon. As you climb, she hear whispers, friends mentioning your wins, social media buzzing with your glow up. Regret hits when she sees the empire you're building without her. Imagine her at a low point, scrolling your updates. Heart pounding. He was mine, and I let him slip away. Goosebumps ripple as you feel the power shift. This is your ascent. Her regret is the echo below. Chapter 4. Surround yourself with light. Socialize. Date and let jealousy whisper. Loneliness after loss feels like drowning. But what if emerging surrounded by laughter? And new connections was the wave that crashes her shores? Build the heart. The quiet evenings alone, phone silent, memories haunting. She was your world. Now it's crumbled. Feel that ache? It's temporary. Step out friends' nights, new circles, even casual dates. Not to replace her, but to remind yourself, life thrives beyond her shadow. Jealousy is a silent teacher. As you glow in social settings, word gets back. She sees photos of you laughing, living perhaps with someone new. Her mind races. He's moved on. Without me? That's the moment regret sharpens. Goosebumps as you envision her scrolling. Chest tight, realizing your light attracts others. You're not alone anymore. You're alive. Embrace the crowd. Her envy is your crown. Chapter 5. Master the inner. Fortress. Build emotional strength. And self-worth. Deep down, did her leaving shatter your self-view? But what if rebuilding stronger was the armor that makes her arrows bounce off? The whispers in your head, not good enough. Her words echoed them, leaving scars. It's raw, vulnerable, like standing naked in a storm. But this journey demands introspection, therapy, journaling, meditation. Heal the wounds she deepened. Motivational climax. Emotional mastery is magnetic. When you're solid, unshakable, she senses it even from afar. Regret blooms when she realizes the man she broke is now unbreakable. Picture her reflecting. He was my rock. Now he's a mountain. Goosebumps surge as you feel your inner power awaken. This is your core. Fortify it and watch her world tremble. Chapter 6. The Ultimate. Revelation. Genuinely move. On and let go. The pinnacle of power. The one that changes fates? It's this. True moving on isn't an act. It's authenticity. When you let go for real, that's when her regret becomes eternal. Build to emotional peak. You've walked through fire silence. Sweat, success, socialization, strength. Now the crown. Release her. Not bitterly, but peacefully. Forgive, not for her, but for you. Date if ready, but from abundance, not desperation. This is where legends are born. She feel it, the shift, when you're no longer hers to lose. Regret crashes like waves. He was the one, and I pushed him away. Imagine her late-night thoughts, heart racing, while you sleep soundly, free. You've journeyed from victim to victor. Goosebumps? That's your soul applauding. Brothers, this is your story, emotional, motivational, unforgettable. You've got the tools. Now live the legend. She'll regret losing you the moment you do these things. But by then, you'll be too far ahead to care. Rise up, your empire awaits.